Crypto investors and crypto exchanges are under attack. You need to prepare right now. Hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. We have breaking crypto news, and we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction right after for the XRP Ripple price. Let's get into the breaking news, which is what? The US Treasury and the IRS propose a new bill that would affect crypto investors and crypto brokers, as well as crypto exchanges. You need to listen up. Let's take a look at this tweet made by Crypto King Cure on Twitter. Go check him out right now. Shout out to him. It says, breaking, the US just dropped the biggest bombshell on crypto taxations. Everyone in crypto space needs to see this now. A thread. What's the proposal? The US Treasury wants crypto brokers, such as exchanges and payment processors, to report users' digital asset sales and exchanges to the IRS. Very interesting. And also, a new tax form, Form 1099-DA, will be introduced to help with this. So it looks like crypto investors will have a tax form called the 1099-DA if it gets passed by Congress. Taking a look right here. What's the purpose of the rule? Make it easier for crypto users to calculate taxes. Ensure crypto brokers report information just like stock or bond brokers do. The very interesting thing about this is I thought crypto was supposed to be decentralized. That's what I'm saying. Who is a broker? Both centralized and decentralized trading platforms, crypto payment processors, some online wallets, covers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and non-fungible tokens. It says origins of the requirement comes from the $1 trillion 2021 Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, aims to tighten tax reporting for digital assets brokers. The new rules could generate roughly $28 billion over 10 years. That is crazy, guys. How are they going to tax us like this? But they're over here sending a bunch of money to Ukraine. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. They're going to be taking $28 billion if this bill gets passed. When will this take effect? Proposed to sorry, guys. Proposed to be in effect by 2025 for the tax filings in 2026. America, crypto investors, we cannot allow this. We want decentralized crypto. We don't want to use CBDCs. We might as well use CBDCs with this. Reactions from the crypto industry. Supportive. Some believe that this will provide clarity and make it easier for crypto users to comply with tax laws. I guess. Others argue that the proposal is confusing, especially for decentralized platforms who don't operate. It says, others argue that the proposal is confusing, especially for decentralized platforms which don't operate with traditional intermediaries. Very interesting, guys. What do you guys think of this new proposal made by the IRS and the US Treasury? In my opinion, this cannot be passed. This will be very bad. Look at it. They're going to take $28 billion over the next 10 years. With that being said, let's move on to some more news. So it looks like this article came out yesterday, and it says only 17% of Russians would agree to store more than $200 in CBDC. That is amazing. That's amazing, because we don't want all our money in CBDCs, because if we do, that means the government has full control. Wake up, America. Wake up, investors. CBDCs will be in place. They will be enforced by 2030. If you comply with them and you have all your money in CBDCs, do you understand they can control all your money and they can track where the money is going? Do you want that? No. With that being said, this is very good news. The people need to fight back against the government, because it looks like every single government right now is trying to force CBDCs. It looks like they're trying to, control everything, and we need to fight back. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. Now, moving on to the technical analysis. Yes, the XRP price has been consolidating for the past week, as you guys can see, the daily time frame. But very interesting, because on the daily, we can see the MACD indicator looking like it wants to reverse and create a green dot for a buy signal very, very soon. This could happen by next week. We need to pay attention to the Bitcoin price, because if Bitcoin pumps to 27,000 and we close the daily, that means that's an indicator that we're going to see what? Higher prices for Bitcoin, which means higher prices for XRP. My prediction is if that does happen, we should see XRP pump as high as 60 cents, but we're going to be stuck between 60 and 55 cents until further notice. Just pay attention to the DXY. Right now it is struggling, which is good. And the S&P 500 is somewhat recovering after that, red candle it formed. So those are three indicators to look at for the XRP Ripple price, which is the S&P 500, the DXY, and the Bitcoin price. Based off that, we'll know where XRP is going. As of right now, I think there's a good chance that we do see XRP pump to 60 cents, and then we'll be consolidating between 60 and 55 cents by next week. If we take a look at the weekly time frame, what do we see here? The weekly, it is still telling us to sell, but remember, the weekly candle closes in about 1 day and 8 hours from now. So we need XRP to recover, because if we form two red candles, that's not very good. With that being said, it's still very early. We must wait until tomorrow to see where XRP will be going based off the weekly close for XRP and as well as the Bitcoin price. Now, with that said, my price prediction bullish would be 60 cents. My price prediction bearish would be 50 cents. We also have some more news if you made it this far. Yesterday, what happened? Fed Chairman Jerome Powell spoke, talking about, yes, there is a threat. The central bank is ready to raise rates further if appropriate, though we'll proceed carefully. As you guys know, a couple weeks ago, the CPI data was released for the month of July. It showed that, in fact, inflation did rise. It went from 3 to 3.2, and it went from core inflation went from 4.6 to 4.7, showing us that, in fact, inflation is rising. We must wait until the CPI data will be released next month for the month of August, and then we'll know for sure where Jerome Powell is heading, because we have the FOMC meeting. With that being said, if you made it this far, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis, price prediction, as well as the latest crypto news. I talk about CBDCs, FedNow Service, BRICS Nation, the economies of all countries like China, Russia, America. Now, we need to be careful, guys. Just a reminder, because there's going to be a great shakeout. I'm telling you, there's going to be a great shakeout. Looking at the S&P 500. Can the S&P 500 hold up and continue to the upside, or do we see the S&P 500 correct? You have a lot of indicators showing us that we're going to see a correction in the next 3 months. That's just a warning. With that being said, if you made it this far, comment the number 100. Peace.